Hi and welcome to Lamia Tutoring. I'm happy you landed on my website. I'm Lamia. For the past 11 years, I've helped hundreds of people pass their TEF Canada or TCF Quebec on the first try. Many got CLB 7, 8, 9, meaning level B2, C1. I'm happy to report and so proud of my students because they all received their permanent residence or Quebec selection fast. Listen, every student is different. Some need only speaking, some need all 4 sections, some are beginners, some are almost ready to pass their exams. That's why I start with a free 15-minute call. During this call, I'll get to know you a bit, you get to know me a bit. Then I'll assess your current level. I'll tell you how many hours you need. I'll give you the exact plan and price to reach your target score. No obligation, no pressure. Each month, I take a selected few, meaning a limited amount of students. So if you're serious about passing your exam soon, click the button below, book a call with me, pick a time that's convenient for you, that works for you, and I'll see you on this call.